Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, India's infrastructure and technology developments. So, port economy will drive India's growth. 8,800 crore Willingham International Deep Water Seawater is first dedicated for container transshipment port in Kerala, which is developed as a public-private partnership model, and it is a port-led development. So, transshipment deep water sea ports this is a port that can handle large ships that can carry cargo from one place to other place. Willingham International Seaport Project is actually strategically located because it can position to compete with the global hubs like Colombo, Singapore, and Dubai. And it has the technical capabilities of 18 plus meters, and initially 1 million TEVs can be expandable to this the capacity, and it is developed as public-private partnership with Adani Ports. So row escalates over water release. So Punjab to release 4,500 cusecs of water from Bakra Dam to Haryana for 8 days, because this decision is taken under Union Home Secretary with Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan officials. Punjab government has opposed the move, calling it high-handed and politically motivated. The Bakra Base Management issue regulates water distribution from major dams like Bakra, Pong and Ranjit Sagar across Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. So the BEAS project is BEAS Satluj Link Scheme, consists of 76.2 meter high rock-filled diversion dam, and Pong Dam is a multi-purpose earth and rock-filled dam on BEAS River, and it is commissioned the project in 1978 to 83. The features of the Bakranangal Dam is location is actually across the Satluj River near the border between Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, and India's second tallest dam actually located near here. India scientists help develop brain-computer interface. So, Indian origin researcher Nikhilesh Natraj and UCSF team developed a brain BCI, that is brain-computer interface. This is actually allow a paralyzed man to control a robotic arm via imagined movements. So, this system worked for months with recalibration, and it represents a major leap in assistive tech for neurological disabilities. Sensors read neural signals from the brain's movement centers, and they demonstrated potential for real-world tasks like opening cabinets and using dispensers, which is very crucial for independent living. So brain-computer interface is a system that determines functional intent directly from brain activity. The components consist of brain signal detector, processor and control application. There are types of BCI, that non-invasive, in semi-invasive and invasive, means sensors can be placed directly into the brain, that is cortex. Listing of caste will be the first challenge in census. So caste census involving enumerating India's population based on caste categories. Well, SC/ST have been recorded in every census since 1951. OBC and subcaste has been absent, leaving critical gap in policy making and other action initiatives. So first caste census have been taken in 1871 to 72. Last caste data collected in 1931 under British rule. So BCI, the potential and challenges is BCI offer revolutionary potential for patients with the paralysis, and there is also ethical challenges will be there. What are BCI and how do they work? Discuss their potential for transforming medical rehabilitation and the ethical challenges they pose. Thank you. Have a